Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Today is Saturday, November the 30th, 2024. These are the news making the headlines. Clarendon man gone missing. 46-year-old Francie Bailey, otherwise called Otis, comic or tall man, a mason of Victoria District, Gloucester, Clarendon, has been missing since Monday, November 25th. He is of dark complexion, slim built and about 185 centimeters or 6 feet 1 inch tall. Reports from the Jamaican police are that at around 8:30 a.m., Bailey was last seen in the Ingleswood area of the parish wearing a plaid t-shirt and brown jeans pants. He has not been seen or heard from since. Anyone knowing the whereabouts of Francie Bailey is being asked to contact the Jamaican police at 876-986-2208, the police 119 emergency number, or the nearest police station. Continuing the news. Falmouth All-Age School wins municipal poetry competition in Trelawney. Falmouth All-Age School cupped the winning trophy in the Trelawney Municipal Corporation's primary school's poetry competition in a hard-fought battle on Wednesday at the Municipal Corporation's Falmouth headquarters in Trelawney. Continuing the news. Daniel Town Primary finished in second place, while Hastings Primary was placed third. 7 schools participated in the competition, which forms part of the Municipal Corporation host of activities in celebration of local government month. The winning entry, a dub poetry entitled Good Governance, was penned by the school's literacy specialist Nardia Malcolm Witter, the institution culturals agent. Malcolm Witter was excited at the achievement. "I'm elated. I'm so proud of the students, to be honest. We had little over a week to prepare, so I had to drill them because I was on maternity leave and just got back. I'm excited," Malcolm told reporters.
The news. Residents of Trelawney gathered earlier today to stage what was considered a peaceful, poetic demonstration. They are concerned that citizens need to develop a greater sense of appreciation for the Trelawney Municipal Corporation. This new development comes as the local authority celebrates Local Government Month under the theme Local Government at Work, Facing the Future Together. His Worship the Mayor, Councillor Colin Gager, called an emergency forum and addressed the public, highlighting a special project and urging property owners to play their part by paying their taxes, and to remind them that good governance can be achieved in the community through a strong municipality. Here are the highlights.
Community can be achieved People of Falmouth and the wider Trelawney, we anticipate that the statue of the iconic figure Usain St. Leo Bolt will be erected as a symbol of excellence because he has a special place in the hearts of Jamaicans and visitors alike. Property owners, please pay your property taxes because 30% of the revenue goes towards fixing our roads, the fire station, gives us light, do effective garbage cleanup exercises, and clean our drains, so cutting down on floods anytime it rains.
For his part, Falmouth Mayor is satisfied with the day's activities. This is part of the local government month celebration. It is our open day, just one of the many activities we have planned during November. We invited various schools to take part in the open day. The students from all the schools are very talented and gave a good account of themselves, he added. Another highlight of the day was the Municipal Corporation presentation of magazine, which accounted for projects that have been undertaken by the corporation over the past 3 years to the local government ministry Desmond McKenzie. Dahlia MacDonald, Director of Corporate Communications in the Ministry of Local Government and Community Development, accepted the magazine signed by the Mayor on Mackenzie's behalf.
Continuing the news.
Elderly businessman shot dead in Enfield, St. Mary. The St. Mary police are probing Wednesday's night murder of an elderly businessman at his home in Enfield in the parish. The deceased has been identified as 71-year-old Winston Williams of Broad Villa in Enfield. Reports are that sometime after 7 p.m., Williams and his common-law wife and other relatives were at home when armed men pounced on him and opened gunfire before escaping from the scene. When the shooting subsided, Williams was found with what appears to be gunshot wounds. The other persons at the house did not sustain any injuries. Williams was assisted to hospital where he was pronounced dead. No motive has yet been established for the gun attack. Links W7 TV will continue to track this story and have more details to come on this in a later newscast.
Continuing the news.
Mocha raids in Montego Bay and Portmore in government fraud probe. Teams from the major organized crime and anti-corruption agency MOCA are undertaking a series of simultaneous and coordinated targeted operations in St. James and St. Catherine. According to Major Baza Jarrett, Director of Communications at MOCA agents with operational support from the Jamaica Constabulary Force JCF went to 2 locations, one in Montego Bay and another in Portmore, at around 5 a.m. on Friday in search of a number of persons suspected to be involved in a major fraud investigation at a government entity. The teams are currently at both locations carrying out search and seizure operations, and arrests are expected to be made. Major Jarrett said that more information will be provided in a later update.
Continuing the news.
220 million Jamaican dollars KFC opens its door in Christiana, which will create 40 new jobs. Restaurants of Jamaica, operators of the KFC brand, opened its door to its newest location in Christiana last Sunday, November 24th. This major investment by Restaurants of Jamaica of approximately 220 million Jamaican dollars to construct this new restaurant marks a significant milestone in the brand's continued expansion across Jamaica, creating 40 new jobs and boosting the local economy. With this new addition to KFC restaurant network grows to 41 locations island-wide in Jamaica. We are delighted to bring the finger-licking good KFC experience to the vibrant community of Christiana and surrounding areas such as Spalding, which will also benefit. We are especially excited to create new job opportunities for residents in and around the area. Our expansion into Christiana is a testament of our commitment to investing in the local communities and making our delicious meals accessible to Jamaicans everywhere. We are very excited to become an integral part of the Christiana community, and already the response and welcome that we have received have been overwhelming, said Andre Roper, marketing manager at Restaurant of Jamaica. Beyond its role as a quick service restaurant, KFC plans to engage with and support the surrounding communities through various initiatives, solidifying its position as a committed partner in the era of development. Roper added that our expansion into Christiana further highlights our commitment to making our iconic meals accessible to more customers across Jamaica. We're not just here to serve great food, we're here to become a part of the Christiana community and support its economic growth. Our mission is to make every resident feel like they are a big deal when they enter the restaurant, the marketing manager said.
Continuing the news.
Businessman found dead with hands and feet bound in St. Catherine. The St. Catherine North Police are investigating an incident in which a businessman was found dead with his hands and feet bound on Thursday. He has been identified as Douglas Henlon of a Bushy Park community. Reports are that at around 10:50 a.m., the lawmen were summoned to High House District near Old Harbour, where the body was found. Blood was also seen coming from the victim's head. The Old Harbour Criminal Investigation Branch is probing the matter. The police have not yet established a definitive motive for this latest attack. However, the police believe that robbery might be a motive as the house was ransacked.
Continuing the news.
2 people killed in separate crashes in St. James and Manchester last evening. 2 people were killed in separate crashes in St. James and Manchester on Friday evening. Dead are 44-year-old Tisha Rodney, a chef of Granville St. James, and 47-year-old Paul Graham, a farmer of Silent Hill Christiana, Manchester. Rodney died as a result of injuries sustained in a crash along the Lilliput Main Road in St. James. Reports are that at around 9:40 p.m., the driver of a Toyota Mark X motor car lost control of the vehicle, which collided with a Noah motor car in which Rodney and 2 other persons were traveling. The injured persons were taken to hospital where Rodney was pronounced dead.
What's done. Them good man, the general. Them good man. Nobody. I know taxi man and probably it's an idiot, man. Nah, I blame a taxi man. Yeah, but it's an idiot the next one.
Yes, my idiot too. People want to go home, you know. But they have their family to go to. Talk about 9 people in a vehicle, like I said. Them a blood clear that I get markets, I eat that them, man.
4 or 5 of them.
4 of them. And look what the fuck are them going to do. I hope them come in and everything.
Have to, man, have to.
Let him go, let him reach all the way. Let him let him just stay where you're there, brother.
I'm going to drop down here.
When driver's license and there, watch it. Let the go to license them.
My boy bag it. No, somebody have the woman bag already.
Where, brother? Who have it?
Somebody have the bag.
Yo, I have it back.
My boy have the bag.
Who that? Purple box. Oh.
Watch out. Believe bad man. Listen, don't believe about
Shit on foot week.
I don't want flesh not enough. I flesh out our foot not enough.
No man, I rise that.
I don't rise that flesh out our one.
Hey mother. No dog. I feel a vehicle. No dog. No dog, isn't it? It's in there. I know. Watch out. Buckle out and I like the man
Minutes earlier, Graham was killed in a crash along the Succeed Main Road in Manchester. Reports from the police are that at around 9:05 p.m., Graham was driving a motorcycle along the roadway when upon reaching the entrance of the Bell Funeral Home, the bike collided in a motor car. Graham was flung from the motorcycle. He was pronounced dead at hospital. One man was arrested in relation to the collision. Residents told reporters that Graham was a good man who practiced road safety. Links 007 TV will continue to track this story and have more details to come on this in a later newscast. This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.